I'm Kshitij. If you are someone who is constantly prospecting on LinkedIn to find new leads, DMTiger might be the perfect solution for you. As soon as you install our Chrome extension, you'll see this small icon here. As soon as you click this icon, you will be directly logged into our dashboard. The login will be seamless. You do not have to enter any user ID password. You will fetch your name, email ID, your designation, all of your friends profile views, invitations received and sent. If you have a sales navigator access, you would also be able to see the people who have seen or visited your profile. You can manage the received and sent invitations directly from the dashboard. You can even withdraw friend requests that you have sent previously. All your chats will be synced, so you will be able to see all your chats happening on LinkedIn here in the dashboard. You can even send them messages directly, and see the conversation going from here on. The real magic of the platform happens here in the lead section. When you click on the search button, you will see that we allow users to fetch or scrape leads from various different channels. You could do a simple LinkedIn search, put the name here, put the URL here, and just click on submit, and the system will start scraping all your leads. You can even scrape leads from a particular post. For example, one of your competitors is running a very popular post which is getting a lot of likes and comments, so you can just post the link of that particular post here, and embed URL here, name the post, and then just click on submit, and you will start scraping all of these leads. You can even scrape group members, people who are employed at a particular company, people who have visited an event on LinkedIn recently. You might upload your own CSV, so you might have a list of LinkedIn profiles that you can upload. And finally, we also support LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So you in LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can apply a lot more filters, which includes geography, company size, designation, and a lot more. And you can just paste that link here, name it something, and the system will start scraping. I'll demo a few of these quickly. Now, for example, we have a list of web developers here. If you are a recruiter who is constantly reaching out to developers, designers, I have done a simple web developer search here. Here on the right, a small widget of DMTiger shows up. You can name this web developer, and then as soon as you confirm, you'll see that the leads have started importing. When you go to this lead section, you'll see that a list by SDR is coming up. When you click here, you'll see that all these web developers scraped along with their profile picture, name, profile link, occupation, and a lot more. You can even so here I have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I have searched for IT companies. I have even filtered it by geography, industry, North America, and advertising services. Again, I can name the list as IT companies and just click on confirm to start scraping this list. So when I come here, I can see that I have another list by the name IT companies from Sales Navigator. When I click here, I can see that all these profiles are getting scraped. You can even scrape people from a group. So as you can see, I am a part of this on startup groups. You can just copy this group's link and paste it here. Maybe name is it group members, and just post the link here and submit. You'll see that all the members of this particular group have started coming up. Similarly, if you want to scrape people who are working or employed at a particular company, for example Google here, you can just copy this link, paste it under company profile, maybe name it employees of Google, and then just submit, and you'll see that this list starts scraping people who are working at Google. Similarly, if you want to load comments or likes, so for example, maybe Tata Group is a competitor who is running a really popular post. You're seeing a lot of comments here. You can import all these profiles into a new lead list. Maybe call it Tata Post engagements, and just confirm. You'll see that these two profiles will get imported. You can even import these likes. So when you load this, you see this particular widget popping up here. You can import these leads into existing lead lists as well. So I'll just import these leads into the same lead list that we had used for comments, Tata post engagement, and I'll just click on confirm. As soon as I click on confirm, these leads will also get populated here. So I'll just refresh this, click here, and as you can see, the list of users have started populating. You see their profile link, you see their occupation, and you even see the comment that these guys have made, along with if they have liked the post, it will show like, otherwise it will show endorsed or something else. So you can gather people from post engagement as well. Now once you have all these lead list, you can run automations on top of it. You could just go to campaigns and you can create a campaign saying that I want to run it on a lead member. Just name a campaign, for example, reach out uh, to Google employees, message hi, and you can put placeholder here, hi first name, I am Kshitij, uh, looking to hire people who have worked with Google. This could be this message goes as a note. You click on next, and then here you have an option to send a follow-up message. If the person has accepted your friend request but hasn't replied, you may set a time delay of 12 hours and then write, hey, first name maybe, again, uh, nice connecting with you here on LinkedIn, would love to get on a call to discuss next steps. Or maybe if you are a SaaS company, you can just drop your Calendly link here, and you can add as many follow-up messages and along with their time delay. So you, once this gets sent, you can add 8 hours and then type another message. Similarly, a lot more. We're also coming up with different actions. So you might be able to say that after this message is sent, you want to visit the profile, or maybe endorse their skill, or maybe automatically comment on their recent post. All of this gives you a visibility to your target client or the person who you want to interact with, and they are much more likely to respond you back. Once you have set up the follow-up messages, the follow-up actions, you can just click on next and select from the lead list that you have created. So you, for example, here I'm trying to contact employees of Google. So you can either search by name here, you can select all of these people, or maybe just a few of them for reach outs. So I want to reach out to these 5 people. So what the system will do is it will automatically send friend request along with the small note that you had put up in the beginning. Once they accept, you will send the follow up messages. If they reply, the system will stop there. We also have these default settings where we allow only 30 messages every day, just to adhere to LinkedIn's daily policy of sending friend requests and messages. The text limit is also set to 275 characters, and this campaign runs for maximum of 7 days. As soon as you click on next, you will see that you have an active campaign. You can see all your stats here, which includes the first message, the follow up message. A table will come up here which will show how many people you have sent friend requests to, how many of them have accepted the request, how many of them have replied to your messages. So all kinds of stats here and here, and then the details about the campaign settings. You can also set settings here, like if you want to only send friend request and messages during the weekdays, you can just switch this off. If you want to send friend request from 8 a.m. till maybe 8 p.m. in the evening, you can set this up. And you can set the maximum number of invites and messages that go out on a daily basis. So this is it. Would love to give you a demo. If you are looking to set up a demo with us, just click on this book a demo button and pick up a time. We would love to set up this thing for you. Thank you very much.